Good morning, everyone. In this presentation, I will be, doing an observational study of my people tree and what are the aspects that makes it unique. So, yes, let's continue. First is the shape of trunk. The shape of my people tree trunk is very cylindrical. It's very straight. There is no curved, angles like the one on the right hand side. It seems like the trunk is coming out as an extrusion from a circular ring, which is really giving it the depth and the height. Secondly, there is no root. My people tree doesn't have any roots coming out from its branches, and this is something that I don't know about. The reasons behind it, and if the roots would have been coming out from it, it must have been cut because the people tree is in the field, and it would have disturbed the crop growth. So it doesn't have roots for sure. The height of tree. When compared to the other people tree, my tree has much more height. The fact that's the thing that's happening right here is that the other people tree are expanding, and they are expanding in the various directions, which is causing the shorten their height, while my tree is expanding more towards the upward, and which is affecting the width of the height, but having a positive point on its height. So yes, that's it, something that can be observed. um, Moving ahead with the crown shape. For first of all, what is crown? Crown is a structural shape formed by the branches and the leaves together. So my tree does have a very circular sphere, crown shape. It's more of like a tilted egg, while the other people tree have a more of like disorientated semicircle shape. So yes. Transparency. My tree, when observed through afternoon and evening, it can be observed that they both in both scenarios, the tree is very much transparent. There is a lot of passage of light within the tree, because the maybe it can be because of the weather or the climate right now that leaves are falling, but yes, that is something that can be observed as compared to the very less frequent light coming out of other trees. In the end, the surrounding is one of the major key element of my tree. My tree is in the field, and there is no other major tree around it, so the emphasis lies on my tree. And as the other plants are very small and delicate, therefore the tree comes out as a very strong individual, and that is something that can be observed, like how this is the only tree right there, and all the other plants are very small. And these are the factors that makes my tree unique than other people tree. And yes, thank you, and I hope you like this small presentation and enjoy this visual yeah, thank you so much.